So in this video, I want to teach you how to build your own simple version DIY. Okay, I'm out of keywords. ESP32 drop pad. First thing you need is your breadboard, and then you need your TFT display. This is 2.8 inches, and then your ESP32 S3 button. I'm not going to use a button for this, but no jumper wires. And then the next thing you want to do is plug your TFT like this on the breadboard, and then your ESP32 like this. I'm using one side of the ESP32, and then you can see the pin out by the side of the screen. Now you plug everything exactly like this. Now a very important connection here is VCC from the TFT goes to 3.3 volts off the ESP32, ground goes to ground. And now I want to have full control over the brightness of my TFT screen. Therefore, I am not connecting my LED to 3.3 volt or to pin 7. Now I'm done with my connection. As you can see, everything is looking very neat and very clean. I'll move on to connect my programming cable to the COM part of my ESP32 S3. Now for the code, all you have to do is simply go to this user setup.h and then you open it. You copy this entire thing by pressing Ctrl A and Ctrl C. Highlight and copy. Then you close it up like so. And then you come on the way to documents, you go to Arduino. What you want to do now is go down to the library for the TFT. Now scroll down to TFT. Now if you don't have this library, you can go to GitHub, just search it online and download it. And then you have to edit this file. You click on it and then you open it up. The next thing you want to do is Ctrl A to highlight everything and Ctrl V to paste what you copied before. And then you close it up. Now with that said, you go to Arduino IDE. I already have my code in it, so all I have to do is just open this file. Then once it loads up, you can have your code. Everything is right here. Everything tools, then you go to boards, and then you go to ESP32, and then you just click on it, select that, and then you go to ports to choose your port. My port is COM18. And then you go to tools. You have to turn on some settings like this UDC. And then you turn this on also, so your display is showing very well. Then this is the entire code. This is everything. And then you upload your code. Look at this. This is the SSID, or the name of the hotspot, Tinkout drop pad, and then this is the password. You note this behind. Go to serial monitor, and then this is the IP address you want to put in your browser after you connect it to the ESP32 hotspot. Now we've copied this, let's go back to our phone and then set this up on our phone, shall we? Now on our phone, you go to your Wi-Fi. Then you can see ThinkPad or Tinkout drop pad. You click on it. All you have to do is just put in your password. The password we got from the code earlier, Tinkout123. Then you can see connected, no internet access. Of course there's no internet access. I mean, why would there be internet access? There's no Now you go back to now you see this is very important. You have to connect regardless Wi-Fi. It is something the smartphone of these days do. It detects when the hotspot has internet or not. And now you can see I put in the IP address and I loaded it, and as you can see, it's working already. So you can draw anything you want to draw. Okay, anything you want to draw. If you found this video entertaining, helpful and educative, please subscribe to this channel and of course leave a like and a comment.